sustainable and conservation of our marine resources. It's also about the gender equality. According to research, specifically the survey that we conducted in Sinasagian Island, most of the respondents answered that women and LGBTQ has limited resources when it comes to assets and resources of fishing industry. We all know as Mercedeños, one of the livelihoods of our community is the fisheries. I want to grab this opportunity to voice out that fishing industry is not about mangingisda ka lang or manlalawid ka lang.
Andara na palang po. Sabi na sir. Sunod na siya ng last mo na yan. Ito na ikaw, ito magpaliwanag.
Mr. and Miss number 4.
Sunod mo ng ano, Christmas light.
Mr. and Miss candidates number 4 in their advance.
Good afternoon, everyone. Sustain the fisheries, feed the future. We champion sustainable fisheries to ensure food security and fight climate change.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Together, let's protect our ocean, empower communities for a brighter tomorrow, and I thank you.
Mr. Candidate number 5.
Good. Sus. Wala na may sports game. Walang ilaw eh. Sige po. Malaki lang yan. Takit.
Uy, paano mo?
Uy, Sabado na upulit sa ito. Dapat ba ganun nakaraan? Kasi wala ka.
Once again, Mr. and Miss Candidate number 5. Mr. and Miss Candidate number 5 in their groups.
Bilog na, pagbilog. Dalawang bilog.
Hello everyone. We are here standing in front of you to represent the future of our nation's fishing industry. We believe in the power of sama-sama tungo sa maunlad at mas kayang pangistaan sa bagong Pilipinas.
We are committed to working together, hand in hand, to ensure that your water are healthy, your fishing community is thriving, that everyone has access to nutrition and fisheries products. That's all. Thank you.
Let's build a future where our oceans are protected and our fishermen is empowered and our nation's food security is strengthened. That's all. Thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, and those in between, the candidates in their cultural attire.
Laking harang. Laking bakulaw. Taraw. Kasi na naman. Aso, ganyan naman ah. Ayaw din. Hindi pa lagi nakatawa eh. Parang sensitive sila. Wala na to pala. Parang mo ba?
And there you have it, our dashing, dazzling, our beautiful candidates for the search for Mr. and Miss Bughaw Festival 2024. And of course, it's just a testament that they are not just beautiful, but of course, our students have an advocacy to offer. So palakpakan naman po natin ang ating candidates. And of course, we're very happy to listen to you.
We were so happy to listen to you earlier. At this minute, we will be having another set of special award. We have the Mr. and Miss Congeniality. I believe the awardees of Mr. and Miss Congeniality are the most friendly among them all. They voted, tama ba? Perhaps you voted for this candidate. Of course, our Mr. and Miss Congeniality is none other than, okay, we invite here in front, please come forward, Mr. and Miss Candidate number 4. Miss Sheena Curio and Mr. Rod Solisas, our officers. So we have, I guess, since our OECD is here, we invite our OECD to award the Mr. and Miss Congeniality Award. And of course, I will be joining them as I am their advisor. Alright. How does it feel that you're awarded as the most friendly? Because no, out of words, ganun talaga, no? When you're awarded as, an award like this. So to join us, or to award this special award, we have our OECD Miss Anne-Marie C. Arevalo, and joining us as well is Miss Alexa Martinez. Alright. Talagang pagod at puyat ang nilaan para sa lahat ng ating candidates. As you can see, lahat ng kanilang costumes ay talagang maganda. Thank you very much, Mr. and Miss Candidates number 4. At this moment, we will award the USSG Choice Award. Again, we invite the President, our student trustee, Honorable Adonis II Salen, also known as Undo, Mr. Undo, to award the USSG Choice Award. And of course, to read the content of the certificate, we have Mr. Salen to do so.
The Union of Supreme Student Government Choice Award is hereby given to, for being chosen by the Executive Council, Board of Directors, and the Legislative Council of the highest governing student council via voting and with unanimous decision. As the USSG Choice Awardee during the Mr. and Miss Bughaw 2024 in the celebration of the 10th Bughaw Festival with the theme Sama-sama tungo sa Ligaskayang Pangisdaan sa Bagong Pilipinas, given this 4th day of December 2024 at CNSC Mercedes Campus, Mercedes Camarines Norte. Signed, yours truly, Adonis II Salen, Chairperson of the USSG.
Masabi naman.
Kinakabahan na ako. Charot? Hindi. For female category. Congratulations! You are the USSG Choice Awardee.
Wala?
Candidate number 4.
Ano, nagulat ka naman.
Candidate number 4 will also be receiving 500 pesos cash from the For the male category, it is you. Candidate number 2. Yeah, we'll also receive 500 pesos. Paki-claim na lang po kay Mr. Asher. Thank you.
Klase namin yan!
Thank you very much, USSG, care of Mr. Adonis II Salen, for the generosity and for the 1,000 pesos for our Mr. Miss Candidates number 2, and of course, Miss Candidate number 4. And of course, push number 4, the minor award, perhaps. Minor award. The best in production number. The best in production number, male category, was awarded to drum rolls. Hindi naman drum yun. Is none other than, for male category, it's you, candidate number 3. And of course, to award this, may we invite our the chair of the board of judges, Ms. Shawi, Queen Shawi, and Mr. Ashao, the president of the student council. We have Mr. Candidate number 3. Siguro wag na nating patagalin. The best in production number, female category, is none other than, joining Mr. Candidate number 3 is Miss Candidate number 3.
Kala. Ayun na ba yung kita? Wala man bagang trading. Hindi nakakuha ang trading. Go Aaron! Naging ka mo kamala si best friend! Best friend! May dalang katalin! Amon, suntukan, pero may
Alright, thank you very much, Mr. and Miss Candidate number 3. Do we still have minor awards to give? Or special awards to give? I guess we have the Dean's Choice Award and the Campus Supervisor Choice Award. Perhaps we can give this awards. Alright, we can have it later. We can have them later, perhaps. Alright, once again, we would like to thank our sponsors. We have Elisha Bunasan Spacker of the Proprietress and owner, Ms. Eliza Melendres. JPSSRC Multidisciplinary Journal of Educational Review, care owned and managed by Mr. JP Santillán. We have the Black Advisors, Campus Supervisor, OIC Dean, CSC Advisor, OSS Coordinator. Our sound system, of course, we would like to thank Mr. Decilio and Mr. Yanto for operating, the GSO for the stage, and of course, the faculty members and staff, Union of Supreme Student Government, CSC officers headed by Mr. Mariano Lawrence Ashao, Barangay San Roque for the materials used for our stage and for the venue, and of course, LGU Mercedes, our always partner before, and of course, our esteemed board of judges, Mr. Louis Galieta, Mr. Nathaniel Q. Algad, and Queen Shawi. Thank you very much. At this moment, we shall now have the question and answer portion, the much awaited question and answer portion. Earlier, we listened to each and every candidate in their advocacy. Ngayon naman, we will further our understanding of our theme and of course, our campaign for the fisheries sector. May we have the facilitators? Yes. I guess we have a fish bowl containing the questions. Ganda ng mga outfit nila, no? Kanya-kanya sila ng meron ditong ilang tanong and bubunutin siya ng ating candidate. They can answer in any medium that they like. The question may be written in English, but they can answer in any medium that they like. They can answer in English, Filipino, or Bicol. Perhaps, I guess our board of judges and our audience can understand. Alright, now let's begin with Mr. Candidate number 1. We request silence from our dear audience. We will be the one to read the question.
Apo. Plus 1 ka sa langit.
The question is, marine pollution is often invisible. How would you make it visible to the public? I repeat, marine pollution is often invisible. How would you make it visible to the
Di ba
public?
nakita niya right na yan? Cancel mo na
As a
boy.
student in Bachelor of Science of Fisheries, magiging visible siya in terms sa mga ginagawa natin. Like the awareness. Kailangan natin ibigay kung ano yung kailangan ng ecosystem. Like, that awareness give us sa mga taong bulag. Sa mga taong bulag na hindi alam kung ano ang polusyon na mangyayari. Ano ang gagawin natin kung hindi natin ma-preserve ang ecosystem, ang fish conservation, and others, so on and so forth. The third generation ang magiging kawawa. And that's it.
Mr. Candidate number one, giving us that awareness that we can make it visible. At this moment, we call Miss Candidate number one.
Nakasagot ko daw Q&A. Dahil dyan po.
You may now pick your question.
Hindi man ko discover. Patay. Patay.
The question is, some fish can change their gender during their lifetime. What does this teach us about adaptability in life? I repeat, some fish can change their gender during their lifetime. What does this teach us about adaptability in life? Thank you for that question.
So, fish can change their sexes during their life. Para sa akin, ang adaptability na ito ay nagagawa rin nating mga tao. Tayo ay nag-a-adapt sa kung ano ang nasa kapaligiran natin. Gaya ng isda. Nagpapalit sila ng kanilang kasarian para makasurvive sa kanilang kapaligiran. Ngayon sa ating mga tao, sa pagpapalit ng henerasyon, kailangan natin mag-adapt at magbago para makasurvive tayo sa kung ano man ang pagbabago dito sa mundo. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Candidate number one. Now, joining us is Mr. Candidate number two. Number two, please.
Go Eugene!
You may now pick.
Go Wiki! Okay na. Pag sasagot na daw baga, sa tayo ko.
The question is, what fish species symbolizes resilience to you and why? Repeat, what fish species symbolizes resilience to you and why?
Thank you very much. So, what fish can be resilient and para sa akin, yung pagiging resilience ng fish is yung tilapia. Tilapia, through the years, di ba dinala ang tilapia dito sa atin kasi hindi naman originated yun dito. Pero through the years, nag-adapt siya through and in that, sa adaptation niya, naging common ano natin sila ng dishes, like marami siyang kagamitan and half of meat na gagaling din sa tilapia and yung adaptation na yun, pagiging resilience and ano nang mag-aano sa atin para maging matibay sa pamumuhay.
Thank you, Mr. Candidate number two. Now joining us is Miss Candidate number two. You may now pick your question.
Balancing. Chelsea. Yung nasa
Really like this ship na nasa ulo ni Miss Candidate number 2. Alright, the question is,
Chelsea.
which marine animal's behavior inspires you the most and why? I repeat, which marine animal's behavior inspires you the most and why?
Salamat po sa iyong napakagandang katanong. Ang behavior po ng isda na po is yung mabilis po silang maka-adapt sa mga environment po nila. Like, yung adaptation po nila, how they survive po sa mga calamities, yung ganun po, yun lang po.
Thank you, Sharpatri. Thank you very much, candidate number 2. Now we have Mr. Candidate number 3. You may now pick your question.
Portier yan ano?
The question is, if you were a marine animal, which one would you be and why? I repeat, if you were a marine animal, which one would you be and why?
I choose to see a turtle because they embodied resilience, wisdom, inspire me to navigate life challenges with passion, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Candidate number 3. I also want to be a turtle as well. Alright, because sometimes we want to slow down, right? So, now we have Miss Candidate number 3. May hugot pala.
Dilema Corazon. Pagpapatuloy natin yung bukas.
The question is, how would you use a fish as a symbol to inspire resilience among people? I repeat, how would you use a fish as a symbol to inspire resilience among people?
I will use fish as a symbol about their resilience. If I were given a chance to choose a marine animal, I would choose the symbol, the Asian sea bass. Asian sea bass has the capability to a wide range of salinity and temperature. It also, the Asian sea bass also is, hindi siya agad dinadapuan ng sakit. So sa akin, personally and bilang tao, magiging matatag ka kung ikaw ay walang sakit. Bilang isang tao, hindi lang nasusubok ang isang katalinuhan ng isang tao sa kanyang utak. Instead, lahat dapat ina-apply natin, hindi lang sa utak, hindi lang knowledge is important, but it is not enough para makitungo ka sa mga tao. And like just fish, ang isda, as a human, we should be thankful na tayo ay may kakayahang magsalita, makapagsabi ng ating nararamdaman. Unlike sa fish, hindi man sila makapagsalita, pero they benefit us. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Candidate number 3. At this moment, let's have Mr. Candidate number 4. Health is wealth for candidate number 3.
Dalawa na na. Hindi na nahihiling.
The question is, what do you think is the biggest misconception about the program Bachelor of Science in Fisheries? I repeat, what do you think is the biggest misconception about the program Bachelor of Science in Fisheries?
Thank you for that wonderful question. My answer is, hindi nila alam kung gaano kahirap ang maging isang BS Fisheries because of the Sinasabi nila madali lang maglawon or maghuli ng isda at tapos ano pa? Tapos sa ano po? Hindi nila alam kung ano yung meron sa BSP series, like may board exam para hindi nila alam kung gaano kahirap. Thank you.
Hindi talaga nila alam kung gaano kahirap. Thank you very much, Mr. Candidate number 4. Reality speaking, no? Alright, now let's have Miss Candidate number 4. Hindi nila alam kung gaano kahirap, mahirap din kaya ang tanong kay Miss Candidate number 4. The question is, what do you think is the most effective way to educate people about the importance of fish conservation? I repeat, what do you think is the most effective way to educate people about the importance of fish conservation?
The most effective way to educate people about the importance. Yung kung about sa social media kung paano magiging
Gila na si Sagan.
Sino yan?
Kitang kita na.
kung paano magiging na-educate yung mga
Ano
tao
nagagawa
sa
na sa site mo?
Meron yan. Malinaw pa yan.
to ensure that
Thank you very much, Miss Candidate number 4, who will be using social media as a platform. Alright, now let's have Mr. Candidate number 5. Si Candidate number 5, medyo malayo, parinig mo na.
Kaya pala nawara sa takop ng Red Horse.
Kaya pala daw wala yung mga takip eh. Ayun. Sige po. The question is, what's the one thing humans could learn from fish to make the world a better place?
Uy.
I repeat, what's that one thing humans could learn from fish to make the world a better place?
Cancel a fish lantern mo niya.
Cancel lang.
One thing human could want, fish, better place. Pipiliin ko po is octopus. Kasi octopus is lahat ng pinag-aanoan niya, pwedeng pasukin, lahat ng problema niya, nasusolusyonan niya. Third place is better place. Nag-ano po siya na lahat ng bagay kaya ng solusyonan, like yung pagpasok niya sa mga problema, pero mabilis din siyang lumabas na. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Candidate number 5. Sana all octopus. Kayang solusyonan lahat ng problema. Now let's have, last but not least, Miss Candidate number 5. It's getting dark, but we have the light. I can see the light. Miss Candidate number 5, you may now take your question. May pailaw si Miss Candidate number 5.
Ayo. Ayo.
The question is, If you were to explain the importance of the ocean to a child, how would you do it? I repeat, if you were to explain the importance of the ocean to a child, how would you do it?
Thank you for that wonderful question.
If I am explaining the importance of the ocean to a
Para
child,
kahit masikip, di ba pasok?
Galing. Wow.
if I am going to explain the importance of the ocean to a child, I will
Wala pang idea. Medyo na blank. Patay. Blank. Yun ang mahirap na nabablanko pa. Talaga.
Nice lang yan.
Dahil may oras yan.
May.
I am going to explain the importance of the ocean to a child by
Hindi, ano. Speechless.
I am going to explain the importance of the ocean to a child by storytelling, like
Like ano. Mali.
by using family. And ocean is like a family.
Ay, di pa kasi tapos. Event kasi dito. Ha? Matatapos na rin siguro.
For me, ocean, I am going to explain the importance of the ocean to a child. For me,
Ulit-ulit na. Bawal yun eh. Hindi disqualify yan.
Ay, gagal kita.
Nagkala City Craig.
Hirap niyan, boy.
Hirap talaga yung sasagutin yun. Kaya pa ba? Parang hindi last na lockdown yun, hindi na ata kaya.
if I am going to explain the importance of the ocean to a child, I will use family as a representation because
Wala man time yan.
Kung
Mga ganitong event lang.
wrong timing yung
Mabilis lang. Pinaitik.
yung question sa kanya yung medyo mahirap.
Kaya ka na.
Lang po siya. Hindi, thank you na. Thank you muna. Hindi tayo ng judges eh.
kung ako'y mag-e-explain ng importansya ng ocean sa bata, gagawin kong representation yung family. Kasi ang family,
Kasi ang family, wala pa rin. Tinagalog na, wala pa rin. Blanco pa rin. Hirap talaga no, kahit Tagalog. Nabablanco. Anong oras na? Oras na? 5:50. Maalas 6 na. Bukas na ata ang ano nito. Bukas na ata kasi. According itong budget.
Play? Kaya ko siya rin yun. Ayan, sabi. 3 minutes ka na dyan.
I will use family to represent the ocean because
Ano ka, nawawala ka ba?
Sure na yan. Sure na yan. Wala na. Kailang ulit na eh.
just like ang
Ano ka, nawawala?
Ayan o, nag-i-score na siya.
for me, ocean is because I will use family kasi just like ocean kasi is playing an important role to a diverse aquatic organism. And I will use family as the representation of ocean because in able to thrive, family are the one who will help you. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Candidate number 5, and of course, thank you, Miss Alexa, for helping us out. At this moment, we will be awarding another set of minor award. Alright, now to award the Campus Supervisor's Choice Award. I believe on behalf of our campus supervisor, because he has an equally important event this evening, we will have the OSS, perhaps the USSG chairperson, and our OIC Dean to award the Campus Supervisor's Choice Award. Each chosen candidate will be receiving a 500 peso worth of due cash. The Campus Supervisor Choice Award is given to, for the male category, we have, the Campus Supervisor Choice Award is hereby given to, for being chosen by the Campus Supervisor during the search for Mr. and Miss Bugao 2024 in the celebration of 10th Bugao Festival with the team Sama-sama Tungo sa Kaskayang Pangisdaan sa Bagong Pilipinas. Given this 14th of December 2024 at CDC Mercedes Campus, Mercedes Camarines Norte, signed by our Campus Supervisor, Sir Jefferson P. Sir. For the male category, we have Mr. For the male category, we have Mr. Candidate number 2. Miss Candidate number 3. We also invite Miss Candidate number 2.
Pinadali na.
So you may just get your, or you may just send your number, perhaps to Mamuni, to receive your GCash worth, amounting to 500 pesos. Alright, thank you very much, Mr. and Miss Candidate number 2 and number 3. So, please remain on stage for the OIC Dean's Choice Award. Alright, here is the certificate. Same certificate.
Dean's Choice Award will receive cash and anong tawag dito? A sash and a gift. Alright, so the chosen candidates were actually chosen by our OICD, Miss Anne-Marie C. Arevalo. The Mr. and Miss OICD wala na. Okay. The receiver or the awardee of the OECD Choice Award are none other than Mr. and Miss Candidates number 3. Once again, thank you very much, Ma'am Anne-Marie C. Arevalo, our OECD, for sponsoring the cash gift and the gift. And we also have a sash.
Paldo.
Let's keep this going. Thank you very much, Mr. Salen and Ma'am Anne,
Kapulot na.
for joining us on stage. At this moment, we will award the Best in Costume. For male category, we have none other than Mr. Candidate number... I guess your bet is right. It's here, candidate number 3. Mr. Candidate number 3.
Daming hapot.
Mr. Ashaw and Miss Furio. Once again, we invite Mr. Marian Lawrence Ashaw and Miss Sheena Furio to award the Best in Costume. Anong inspiration ng costume niyo?
Inspirasyon ko po is yung aming barangay dahil ito po yung hinahanap buhay ng mga tao na nangihirapan sa coastal area mula sa isang barangay ng bayan ng Vincents.
Okay, I guess the people in Vincents, the residents in Vincents are very proud of you. Congratulations, Mr. Candidate number 3, perhaps. And now, okay, let's have a photo op first. Now let's have the female category. Best in Costume female category is awarded to Miss Candidate number 5.
Kabit-bit man.
Again, we have Miss Sheena Furio and Mr. Marian Lawrence Ashaw to award the sash.
Kitang-kita pa din sa dilim ay. Kahit madilim ay kitang-kita. Kung sino yung kikisap. Liwanag sa dilim. Panalo. Kahit taro. Doon na yan.
Perfect na perfect yung kay candidate number 5 sa walang ilaw na stage. Siya ang bibigay ng ilaw.
Liwanag sa dilim.
Pagpatuloy na tayo, let's have the Best in Advocacy. Who among these candidates who are vying for the crown for the title Mr. and Miss Bughaw 2024 will receive the Best in Advocacy. For the male category, again, we are inviting our OECD Miss Anne-Marie C. Arevalo, our USSG chairperson, Mr. Adonis II Salen, to award the Best in Costume. The Best in Advocacy male category is given to... Who's your bet? For the male category, it's you, Mr. Candidate number 2.
Pagtay ko kakarapin. Pas! Karin bukas.
Joining us is the OSS chairperson, Miss Maria Elizabeth B. Fuentes.
Ganda!
Isa rin sa mga punong abala.
Ganda ni Regine!
Nalay ka man dyan, doy.
Please remain on stage, Ma'am Ann and Ma'am Beth, as we are to award the Best in Advocacy Female category. For the female category, please step forward. Because I believe this lady is very lucky. It's you, candidate number 3.
Number 3. Plus 3. Minus 3. 3 pa din. Galing naman. Nakakasakta natin natin sinutin.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3. Thank you, Ma'am Ann and Ma'am Beth.
May bulati kaya?
Alright. I guess our board of judges are really having a hard time. Okay, meron na pala, no? The tabulators are having a hard time. By the way, we thank Mr. Adonis II Salen for initiating and of course for helping us out, for helping us with the tabulation. And of course, we have Ma'am Monica Lynn Borlagdan, the CSC advisor sa pagiging punong abala, and of course, Ma'am Elizabeth B. Fuentes, and of course, our OIC Dean who is here at